Next at 6 tonight marks the first time Governor Scott Walker and Democrat Mary Burke will square off. It comes on the heels of a major shakeup in this election season.
The political developments tonight, just 25 days before voters go to the polls. Political reporter Jessica Arp joins us with what you need to know, Jess.
Well, there was even more maneuvering today on Wisconsin's voter ID law, but the bottom line at this point is that you do not need an ID to vote in November. Today, the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals released documents showing Judge Richard Posner requested 10 judges vote again on whether to rehear the case on voter ID. They once again deadlocked, meaning the request was denied. And in a 43-page decision, Posner called that a, quote, serious mistake. It isn't clear whether that vote happened before or after the Supreme Court acted last night to block the law before next month's election, which is the most definitive word at this point, saying voter ID won't be required, although the governor, appearing in Wausau today, didn't seem so sure, saying it was hard to say whether it would be in place for the November election.
Voters across the state have used it. It's not something new. It's just been delayed for a while because of the courts. It'd be nice, but I think in the end, one way or the other, it will ultimately be upheld. The big question is, will it be upheld for this election?
Mary Burke did not appear in any public events today, but last night her campaign put out a statement saying in part it looks forward to informing Wisconsin voters and, quote, ensuring that every eligible voter who wants to cast a ballot has the opportunity to do so. The Government Accountability Board referred questions today to the Department of Justice, who had no further comment beyond last night when they said they were, quote, exploring alternatives so that voter ID could be in effect on Election Day. It's unclear at this point what options they may have to do that.
All right, now tonight we've got the first debate for the governor's race. You figure this is going to come up a little bit?
Well, it may come up, of course, but it's more likely that the candidates will stick to talking about economic issues. Already, we're seeing the Burke campaign this afternoon say that Mary plans to, quote, present the facts about Wisconsin's economy. Walker has said he plans to defend his positions and share what's been done the last 3 years and what he will do going forward. You can see that debate right here on WISC TV at 7. I'll bring you a wrap-up of the debate on News 3 at 10 tonight. And, of course, you can always follow online. I'll be tweeting along as the debate goes on at News 3 Jessica on Twitter.
All right. Well, we will be following and look forward to your report at 10. Thanks, Jess.